Okay, let's remove the cover. Firstly, we'll disconnect the battery. Always a good habit. Well, nicely disconnected. And now we can remove the cover. And we don't let your material fall. This is a E40. There's like 4 screws. As you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. One unscrewed. 2. And number 4. Before removing, remove the oil cap. Take it. And there you have it. I like to put the cap back on. You never know that something can fall in. Okay, after the cover is removed, we have access to the coil packs. We will remove those ones now. There are 4 bolts that need to be undone to have this removed. This is also a Torx 40. But before we will do some other small works. You need to remove the plugs. You push them in, push them back, and remove the connector. Much easier to do it before, then they are not shaking. We have also the secondary coil or wire plug. Voila, you remove those ones. Number 3 and number 4. I use these pliers. Now, the coil or the screw here in the corner has also a massa cable. Don't forget this part or you have problems after. Those bolts don't need to be too tightened. It's not that there's much weight on them. So, to work easier, I make this cable loose. Voila, here and there. Not really necessary, but can save you just. Okay. Now, I need to remember where I put my tools. First one, second one, the third one, and number 4. Here you see the massa cable. Put the screws on the side. And we will remove the coils now. Move them a bit up. Try to do the same sides. Voila. You can see this cable released. It's easier to remove. Here he is. Here we have the coils. So now to install we have the engine that will enter this car. We take the coils. Have the other one also. And we look to put them in. Voilà, in the bottom. And you push them gentle in, that you don't tilt the motor, in this case. So, to be sure that we don't miss screws, we'll put those ones in already. Screw 1, as you can see. Number 2. Number 3. And then we have the fourth one that we normally have a massa cable on, the ground cable. I will screw this not really tight, but just in. The other ones we will tighten up. You don't need to tighten like Tarzan. Just on feeling around 25 Newton meter. Put the secondaries in. You hear them nicely popping. Right here. In, and in. Be sure let's check the other bolts. Okay, good. So the coils are in on this way.